We'll guide you through how to delete browsing history in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
So you're in the situation of where you want to go and clear and delete browsing history and data. Perhaps it's just one thing, multiple, or all of it. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure this full guide, don't go and skip anything, as we're going to guide you through the different options you've got. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So what you need to do is come into Chrome as we already are. Go to the top right and you can go and find the three dots, which you can then go and tap. Go down and find the option for history and hover over it. You want to press open history page like this. So now if you just want to do this with one or multiple, you can go and select them over to the left here like so. With them selected, you can press delete in the top right and confirm it, and they'll then go and be deleted from the history. If you've got lots to do or is a certain time frame, come over to the left and click delete browsing data, and you can choose a time frame at the top here. And you can then choose browsing history, the cookies, cached images and files, download history, and you can go and select what you want to do. So I may only want to do these top two, for example, then you can press delete data at the bottom and it'll go and be deleted. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.